Alright guys, Matt with Thrive Off Grid. Alright, so what I got here is a DIY retort I've been working on. This here is a small version and we've been using it to heat the shop. And I'll be doing a DIY video on a larger version of this using a 55-gallon drum as the outer drum, and then another 20-gallon 19-inch diameter drum for the retort. So I'm going to show you how I do this every day. What I do is make a batch of charcoal the day prior, and then before I fire it up in the morning, I'll go through and harvest what I made. So this sits inside up here and then rests on these two tubes that you see here. You got a tube here and a tube here. And then those actually have holes drilled in to supply air for the second stage burn. Okay. So we're going to open this guy up. And then we'll empty that out and show you how that's made. So that is my charcoal that was made. So you see the hole on the bottom, and then we have a vent tube that goes up through the center. Now as the fuel is heated and starts gasifying, the gases escape through this vent tube and feed the burn chamber, and those gases are volatile and they burn and help supply heat to keep the reaction going. So this thing is pretty efficient. So yeah, so my next step will be to get that filled back up with fresh wood and get this running again. Alright guys, so I got this refilled. Alright, so I need to know, this wood is green. So the water the fuel, the more you have to chop it up. But if you have seasoned wood, you don't have to cut it so fine. You could actually put almost full lengths in the drum if you had seasoned wood. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this set back up. So yeah, that's quite a bit of weight there. Alright. So it is ready to go for another burn and heat the shop. So yeah, I'll be doing the DIY video here probably next couple weeks. I still have to get the 55-gallon drums yet, but I have most of the parts that I need here to construct it. I'm gonna build this in a way so that you have options. You don't have to use the ball valves. You could just use pipe plugs if you wanted to. They're just nice to, if you needed to control the burn, you'll have some a way to control that. So I'm planning on building 2 of them. I had to buy a new drum, 20-gallon drum here, and then I'm going to use the this old one over here that I'm currently using for storing charcoal in, but I'll be repurposing that for a second kiln. So all I need is the 55-gallon drums, and then I plan on building 2 of those. And then once it warms up, then I'll be moving that outside too, and that'll be making charcoal right along with them. So I'll have 3 retorts producing charcoal. That way I'm not doing it so often, you know, every other day maybe. I guess it depends on how much we use. That's something else we're going to be doing too, is I'll be DIYing the Predator 9500 and Duramax 9000i generators. There are now parts on the market to where you can actually DIY your own version for a fraction of the cost of buying one of those generators. So that's not solid, but I gotta do some more research into that. I did buy some parts to see if my plan will work, but I'll keep you updated on that too. But anyways, until the next video, thanks for watching.